Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys something. A Walt. You get the you get the battery, just slide them in, and then they start charging. Yeah, you can put any battery, and you guys, we also have a drill too.
And here's the drill right here. That's what the drill looks like.
You
We
guys,
got the extra large one. Walt.
You guys, and you could just take that off, put that battery in there,
And then charge that one up right here.
Yeah. Slide it, put it in there.
This is the charger station. Boom, boom.
Yeah, look, see? Look.
Yeah, this is the charger
Look,
station.
watch.
There we go. See, and when you do it, that light turns on. And I'm sorry guys if it's too bright. Then I'll back, but yeah. When you do it, that light lights up.
Yeah, look, watch. See?
Them is the batteries.
And you guys, when you need them, you can just take them off. Just put it in there.
Okay, and then yeah. And it goes. It doesn't matter how fast. And we use this for our clubhouse.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we may do a video of our clubhouse video. If you guys want to see that, just like, subscribe, and click that notification bell too, so you guys can be the first to know when I post a brand new video. Okay, so I'm gonna end this. So if you guys like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.